Can AWS certifications land you a high-paying job? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Sandeep and I work for a big multi-billion-dollar life science company, and I was taking few interviews. I got a lot of resumes with people with a lot of certifications, and after interviewing them, I was questioning, does certifications really land you a job? And that's why I created this video. So the answer to the question, can certifications get you a job? Questionable. All right, here is my take. The good stuff. We'll talk about the good. We'll talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. All right. The good stuff. It gives you a structure to learn. If you are new to AWS or cloud, it's a whole new world out there, right? Like there is a lot to learn. There are 500 plus services, and it can get overwhelming. Where to start, so definitely. Going through a path of certification will give you a structure to learn. Getting a course will help you, however, the bad, the reality check. All right. Here is the deal. Certifications will not land you a job or even an offer. All right. Passing a test, just checking is not solving real-time problems, real world problems. Okay. And on top of that, the time commitment to learn a new technology, the time commitment to learn the niche things about a certification, the stress, the practice exams, the time suck is real. You can take days, months, sometimes years to pass a professional exam. Learning what? All the nitty-gritty things that you may or may not even use, right? Having a stack of certifications can real backfire. All right? Recruiters will think, this guy has so many certifications. He must know a lot of stuff, but they don't know that he must be checking buttons, like check boxes. And when you go to an actual interview, when you ask about a service, you're like, oh, blah, 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 blah. And after that, when they dig a little bit deeper, you fall flat. You don't know because you have never worked in that. Some people do not even open the console. And that's the problem, right? Real world skills cannot match your checkbox checking, ABCD, right? So let's talk about what actually works. Stuff that you have actually built. Maybe it is the smallest thing that you have built, all right? But at least you've gone to the console, you've clicked around, you've failed, and failure is the best teacher, and that's how you learn. That's how I have learned. I have failed so many, even after so many YouTube tutorials and all. I have failed and I have learned from my failures. What employers want to see is not only the AWS stuff, there is so much more than AWS. Do you know how code versioning works? Do you know how DevOps work? Do you know what SecOps is? Do you know Jenkins? Do you know CI/CD pipelines? All of these things are very, very important. And they want to know whether you can put all of these things together to build an end-to-end system. Not just knowing about AWS. Getting an AWS certification, like an associate certification, is just not enough. I have taken hundreds of interviews. I have seen people with professional certifications, and it just puts my expectations very high. Like, this guy knows his shit. And when I actually ask him questions, it just falls flat. All right. So that's my take. So what actually works is having a real life end-to-end solution that you have built on your own. What helps is showcasing what you know about your solutions. You need to have a portfolio website. You can build a portfolio website. You can do end-to-end solutions which you can record and put it on YouTube. And this is all I'm trying to do as well. So bottom line, Certifications are like a supplement, right? Footnote on your resume. They're going to get you noticed by HRs, tracking systems, RTS, resume tracking systems, by recruiters, but it's not going to land you a job. All right, hands-on projects and real life experience, real world experience is going to get you where you want to go. And that's why I have taken this as a mission to build my YouTube channel to do real world examples that can help you. So stay tuned, and if you like my perspective, please hit that like button. It's going to help me a lot. It's a new channel. This is my first video on this rant, so thank you so much.